Today we are going to tour 24636 North 170th Lane in Surprise, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Surprise, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Surprise. Welcome to this brand new 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in Surprise. Situated in close proximity to the 303 and 60 highways, this home offers easy access to a variety of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. In addition, this exquisite home boasts an open floor plan, ideal for hosting gatherings, and the kitchen features stunning dark cabinets complemented by white countertops and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the convenience of a separate laundry room equipped with a washer and dryer. The property also includes a covered front entry and back patio for outdoor relaxation. And as you can see, the bedrooms are bright and spacious and come with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Other features of this home include cozy carpet, with every room letting in plenty of natural light, plus the neutral color palette makes this home perfect for any renter. And finally, here we have the expansive primary ensuite bedroom, complete with dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. Thanks for watching the tour.